friends, hope you all are doing well. Today I again came here to do a video, and today's video is going to be nothing but about flowers. Now first thing is, what are flowers? We should know it very nicely. So flowers, actually here we can see a flower, sometimes known as a bloom or blossom, is the reproductive structure found in flowering plants. The biological function of a flower is to facilitate reproduction, usually by providing mechanism for the union of sperm with eggs. Now, there are many types of flowers in the world, okay? Now, some common flowers, okay? Some common types of flowers. There is also types of flowers. But here, the common types of flowers is, there are 50, but let us only learn the first 5. This carnation we'll be learning. So first is Alstroemeria. Now how? So here we can see a full Wikipedia name, and if you see very carefully, this lily, actually this Alstroemeria, Alstroemeria is actually a very beautiful flower, if you can see, and it's from many colors. Okay, it can be pink, lily. It's actually lily, red, blue, yellow, Inca, orange flower. It's a flower purple. So you can get many colors of it. Here, let me show you the actual one. It's actually in orange color. It's orange like a yellow type. See the flower. It's actual Alstroemeria, which is also called the lily, common lily. Now Calla lily. Let us see what is Calla lily. How does it look? Okay. Is it how many colors it has? One color. What like we learned for this Alstroemeria, na? Same. Now this is Calla lily. Now as you know, again I told you that this Calla lily or this have many colors, right? It has white color, purple color, blue color, then black color, red color, pink color. It has many colors actually. And white color it has, see, you can see here the pictures, the yellow, orange colors, and purple color, red color. Here you see many lily, mixed Calla lily. Here first you can see this photo. It's a little blurred, but if you look carefully, it looks it's a Calla lily. It's a purple Calla lily. Okay, it's a purple Calla lily, looking very beautiful. They're actually products, you know. They're actually products. Now, if you want a very clear photo of lily, see this one. Okay, it's a Calla lily, and it's a white color. Next one is going to be Daisy. Daisy is we all know Daisy. Daisy is a very common flower. The white color Daisy flower. You can see in some nursery and all. You can see Daisy flower. Okay, I told you it's a type of actually sunflower. If you look it very carefully, it's like a sunflower, and you know it has only 2 colors mixed. You don't find another color. Any photo you see, you will be seeing this type of flower only, and sometimes the Daisy flower would be coming in this type of colors, but the main Daisy flower is actually this one. Actually, this white color Daisy flower, you can plant it in the garden. It looks very beautiful when you plant it in the garden. Now it's really here. Let us see another one. Gardenia. What is gardenia? Okay, let us see what is gardenia. Now gardenia is also a type or flower. Let us see now. It's actually a florist, you know. And this gardenia is somehow it somehow looks like a hotel, like rose, you know. It looks like a rose, and it's really nice to plant it in a good mud. And it also it is in white actually, but you can also also get it in yellow color, in purple color. Many colors are there, but this color is the best one. If you see nicely, it would be really nice. See properly. It's very nice flower. It also similar to them. There's also two names I can tell you, that Cape Jasmine and Jasmine oil. Two of the things. Next one is carnation. Okay, what is carnation? It is carnation. Let's see what is carnation actually means. It's a flower, carnation flower. Let us see what. Actually, there is carnation industries also, so only came like industries. And this carnation is actually some similar to this gardenia, you know. And it has colors, like it has rose. It is actually in a type of rose. And the carnation flower can be pink color, red color, blue color, green color, yellow color, and white color, you know. And it's like loofah, like if you see it, it will be like a hotel. It will be like a paper. See, like a paper, na? Yes, it's like, I told you I'll be stopping in this carnation flower, but let us see more. Okay, now we have studied daisy. Now let us see Gerbera daisy. What are this? Means this flower called Gerbera daisy. Now let us see how this daisy look. This is that type of daisy, you know. And this this Gerbera daisy is actually lily, a type of lily, and let me tell you, it's also type of, it also have many colors: yellow flower, yellow, blue, purple, pink, orange, red. Many colors are there of it, and you go searching like that. And it's also called Gerbera daisy is also called Gerbera gems only. Now here you can see this one. It's very beautiful, this flower, Gerbera daisy. Now next we have orchid. Okay, orchid is a very common flower. You can see like this. You can see everywhere. Even this orchid flower we can see everywhere. It's white in color, and it's not white in color. It's pink in color. Which one I saw? It's pink in color, and we have many colors orchids. And actually, this orchids have many colors: purple, blue, and yes, the thing I told, no, white. Actually, the main flowers are white, but now there are many flowers: blue, white, pink. The Cattleya is the type of flower of its yellow one. Wait a minute. Yellow flower, it's really looking nice. And also we have moth orchid. It's also a type of orchid description. See, the orchid is like a moth orchid. It's actually safe. It's like a moth, you can see. It's also called moth orchid. Now tulip is in many colors. We know that tulip is a common flower, it's a famous flower, as well as this popular flower, tulip, and it's really good. It has many colors. Let me show you tulip. Now tulip is many color. There is also white color, yellow color, pink color, red color, and even yellow color, orange color, white color, purple color, blue color, mixed color, rainbow color, black color. Many colors of tulip, you know. And rainbow tulip is the most beautiful than all. Because I will be showing you rainbow tulip. And this is a tulip, and let me show you many types of tulip. White tulip, many tulip are there. Let me show you rainbow tulip, which is really nice. Rainbow tulip. I hope it will become. Yes, it's type of. Sorry, it's a black tulip. And some problem. Wait. Yes. So this one is actually rainbow tulip. If you see nicely, it's really nice tulip. Rainbow colored, 7 colors tulip. It looks as when you plant it in your home, but it's a really expensive one. But if you want to plant simple tulip, many colors tulip, then you can. Okay, so this was some flowers. Now roses are roses are the most popular flower in the world. It's no surprise that a rose dominates its season too, symbolizing everything from deep romance and sexuality to enjoy and friendship. The spring flower is a true charmer that can be incorporated into any arrangement or buffet. It's actually true, and the rose Wafena, it's really nice. And rose is also type of very prettiest flower, okay. And this hydrangea, it's also nice flower, okay. This I'll be showing hydrangea is also most prettiest flower it comes from. And the thing is, it's the special is, it's in very much color, okay. It can be pink, purple, white, blue, red. It's looking very nice, and many flowers join together, some flowers, to make a hydrangea. See, it's a blue hydrangea. Next one, bleeding heart. Now by the name you will be thinking bleeding heart means might be it is the flower in one color. How does it look? You will be having many things in your mind, na? So that bleeding white. What is bleeding white? Is it something that? No, bleeding whites are not actually bleeding heart. Its actual name is bleeding heart wine. Okay, its actual name is bleeding heart wine. And this bleeding heart wine, bleeding heart, it's actually it's the another type of heart we have. That type of, actually it's not in heart in its shape. Actually, its name is like that. Okay. Now it also have red color, actually pink color. Actually, this pink color and white color actually look nice. So then cherry blossom. Cherry blossoms are really, actually it's a very common flower, especially saw in the spring time. If you search in Google spring, this cherry blossom will be coming first. It's a pink colored one. It's actually not a plant, it's a tree, and a very beautiful tree actually it is. So I hope you're learning the thing what you should learn, you will be learning here. And when you go to mountainous places, this cherry blossom flower is very nice there. Okay. It only have one color, and that is this pink color. And some parts, when autumn season comes, this pink cherry blossom leaves fall down, okay, and the trees become without leaves. When again spring comes, that time again it grows and looks a very nice plant. Right? Yes. And next one, let us go again here. Orchid we saw, tulip we saw, peony let us see. What is peony? Now whenever I read this peony thing, I get a thought of pigs. Because this name is similar to that, But no, peony is a very nice flower to tell you. It's a type of rose, and some people also tell it as rose. It mainly grows in Asia. India, not India. In Asia it grows nicely, and it's in pink color. Sometimes it be in red color. It's a light red and white color, but mainly it's in this pink color. Okay, pink color is the most color you can see it, and see here the type of rose one, and people also it, but no friends, it's not rose, it's only flower. Okay, so you saw what is lily things. Now these all flowers are a type of very hotel. It's like a good flower, but the most rare flower is Middlenest red. Middlenest red. What to tell you? It's a beautiful flower or not, you only see, but it's the rarest one. This finding this middlest red is really hard, because it's all petals are a type of triangle. It looks very beautiful when you see it. And this middle red flowers are in red in color, pink in color, and you have a scientific name, and So very nice, like velvet and color you can see here, and there are many nice flowers of it, and this flowers, this one, it's a very nice one, and if you look carefully the feathers, they're very nice one. It has 10 seeds, it has 10 seeds. This is a really nice one. It's the rarest, it's the most rarest flower, and also like every flower there is also have the flower which symbolize red, and the flower, wait, not red, death. It's called, wait, there's a problem here, wait, here it is called, it's chrysanthemum. Okay, chrysanthemum is really good in looking, but also even though it's good in looking, they also it symbolize death. Okay, symbolize death. Whenever some people death or some ceremonial things happening in death, for death, some what we have rituals. The Americans would be coming with these flowers, okay, because if they come with the rose flower, nobody would accept. Okay, but this flower is really beautiful. It's actually it's actually a type of marigold, when you see many colors. So I think you have learned many things about this flower. Okay, I think you have learned, and if you want to see some other flowers with full description and all, please comment below. I'll be also arranging about that flower. So bye for now. See you in the next video.